We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at apartment 7G. This is a 6-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom apartment. Let's go on in. This apartment is shaped like a rectangle, and we've come in on the side of the rectangle. We'll go through. We're going to see the common spaces first and then the bedrooms. So over here on our left is the kitchen. You can see this is one of our renovated kitchens, so we've got the newer appliances. I do like this refrigerator. We've got the split doors on the top, the lower freezer, the dishwasher, the sink, the microwave, and the stove and oven over on our right. Some cabinets and drawers. We'll pass by the half bathroom and we'll take a look at that as we're coming back through. Here's the living room space. So the living rooms will have the sofa, as another one-person chair, some small tables, a dining table and chair. There is an air conditioner for the living room area that's here under the window, and there is a TV in the apartment. This, the living room here, all the rooms here, rooms 1 through 5 have this west view. So that's really pretty. Let's take a look over there. We're gonna look over to the right and you'll see Cayuga Lake. We'll get zoomed in on that. So we've got a nice lake view. Let's get zoomed back out and keep looking at more apartment. There's also a view to the south over here. We'll come back through the rooms. Let's see the bathrooms and then the bedrooms. So this apartment has a half bathroom, which is this door over here. A half bathroom is a toilet and a sink. So you can see toilet and sink. So that's what's in a half bathroom. We'll pass by the kitchen and pass by that entrance door that we've already come in, right over here. That's where we entered. This next door is the full bathroom. This floor, 7G, does have a renovated full bathroom. So it's got that nice full standing shower there. It's got a couple nooks in it, nice vanity. We love those big mirrors with the light around them, and the toilet. And if we go over this way, you can see that nice big mirrored cabinet as well. Let's take a look in the bedrooms. The bedrooms here are all very similar in size. We're going to start at the end of the hall with room 1. The bedrooms will always have the same furnishings. There's a desk and chair, a dresser, a bookshelf. Rooms 1 through 4 face west. Room 5 faces west and south, and room 6 faces to the south. All the rooms have a closet. Let's go into the next room. Here's room 2. And all the rooms also have a lock on the door. So you can see there's a variety of ways to set up the apartment or to set up the rooms. You're welcome to move the furniture around. Room 2 is across from the bathroom, the main full bathroom. Room 3 is across from that entrance. That's the door that we saw as we walked into the apartment. So again, all the same rooms. Rooms 1 through 4 are basically almost the exact same size. That's a good spot for that bookshelf over there. The dresser would also look nice there. Room 4 is across from the kitchen and is next to the living room. So one more with the west-facing window. And again, full-size beds, same furnishings. We're just trying to get you an idea of just seeing what all the rooms are. Let's peek in the closet here. Closets are all the same. Here in these apartments, if you find a mirror that's on the back of a door, if someone has left a mirror, we will leave it in place, but we don't automatically provide those. So let's go across the living room to room 5. Room 5 is a unique room, and let's see why. Look at that, 2 windows. So we've got the 2 huge windows. So it's gorgeous. You've got that south view. This is west. West, and then south as well. And I like how there's this nook here. That's a great place, I think, to stick your bed. And the dresser over here, bookshelf over there. Yeah, I think this is a good way to arrange the furniture in this room here. You can see that second living room window over there, out the window. We're on the corner of the building, so we are at the southwest corner of the building. So that is away from Dryden Road. This is room 6. Room 6 is the largest of the bedrooms here. I'll show you why in just a sec as we go in. Room 6 faces directly to the south. So we've got some great valley views out that way. And bookshelf, dresser, the desk is behind me. Well, we've got a little more floor space because the closet is tucked in behind, over here behind the door. So just because of how the closet is positioned, this one has the most space. So that's a look at Collegetown Plaza, apartment 7G. This is a 9-floor elevator building. We've come up from floor 4, which is the lobby level. So we are 3 floors above the lobby level. However, we're on the back or south side of the building and west side of the building. So we are all the way up 7 floors above the driveway level. We're located at 111 Dryden Road here in central Collegetown, and we're just 1 block to campus.